I've just received some disturbing news from Hampton Court. The king has ordered your... The king The king... The king
What's going on?
What?
Did you block my carrier pigeons?
Yes, I did.
Why?
Because quite frankly, I'm sick of them. Look at this. 32 pigeon messages. And that's just today.
Yes. And?
Look, the problem is I'm trying to do work and I keep getting interrupted by your bloody pigeons. I mean, look at some of these messages. High tea with Lord Morrow, ... Boring.
It was.
And then this one. Had 2 eggs for breakfast. Yum. And then 2 minutes later. Grapefruit is really sour.
It is.
Yes, but I don't care, do I?
You're just threatened because you don't know how to use a carrier pigeon.
That's ridiculous. I'm just busy.
You're threatened by technology.
I write letters.
You can't embrace change. You're a technophobe. The world is changing. Yeah? And if you don't keep up, you're going to be left behind and out of touch.
I'd appreciate if you stop sending your pigeons.
All right, fine. I'll take you off my list. But don't blame me if you're out of touch.